Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken easily in Fish. First, you need to understand the specific conditions that trigger a Kraken encounter. This often involves certain weather patterns or time of day. Next, gather all the necessary items like special bait or upgraded fishing rods to maximize your chances. Finally, identify the precise locations where the Kraken is known to appear. Preparation is key to successfully catching the Kraken. Make sure you have a top-tier fishing rod, one with maximum durability and a strong line, capable of handling a massive catch. Equip specialized bait or lures that are known to attract legendary sea creatures. Also, double-check your inventory to ensure you have ample space for the Kraken's unique drops. To find the Kraken, focus your efforts during specific in-game events or unique weather conditions, as these often increase its spawn rate. Head to the deepest parts of the ocean or any areas explicitly marked as Kraken habitats. Once hooked, be ready for an intense battle. Successfully complete the quick-time events to slowly but surely reel in this legendary sea monster. Defeating the Kraken yields incredible rewards. You'll receive exclusive crafting materials, essential for creating some of the most powerful gear in the game. Additionally, you'll unlock rare achievements, boosting your player profile, and earn a substantial amount of in-game currency. The Kraken can also drop unique cosmetic items or provide powerful temporary buffs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.